There's a belief that refuses to die. The idea that a big engine, a 3-liter, a 4-liter, a V6, a V8, will automatically last longer than a smaller one. People imagine a huge block of metal working effortlessly, while a small engine struggles to survive. And it sounds convincing, until you look at how engines actually work today. The myth is built on nostalgia, on memories of old-school, low-stressed V8s that could run 500,000 miles without breaking a sweat. But modern engineering doesn't follow the same rules. Reliability comes from design, materials, cooling, tolerances, and maintenance, not from displacement alone. Let's break down the facts. Fact 1. Big displacement is no longer a guarantee of low stress. In the past, a large engine with modest horsepower was barely breathing. It made power easily, without high RPM, without boost, without precision timing. Today, many big engines chase huge output numbers, high compression, and aggressive tuning. They're not loafing, they're working. Meanwhile, many small engines with moderate output are actually under less mechanical stress than a large engine tuned for maximum performance. Fact 2. Cooling and lubrication matter more than size. A poorly designed cooling system on a big engine can destroy it as quickly as a small one. Hot spots form, oil breaks down, bearings suffer. A small engine with excellent cooling channels and high-flow lubrication can outlive a large engine that runs too hot. Reliability comes from thermal control, not cubic inches. Fact 3. The weakest link is almost never the pistons. Ask any mechanic. Engine failures rarely happen because the pistons were too small. They happen because of weak timing systems, poor oil maintenance, bad PCV designs, carbon buildup, stretched chains, fragile turbos, or cheap sensors. A big engine with a weak timing chain design will fail sooner than a small engine with a bulletproof one every time. Fact 4. Modern small engines are built differently than the old ones. Tiny turbo engines from 20 years ago had real problems: bad bearings, weak rods, poor cooling, and early turbo failures. But modern small displacement engines often use forged internals, stronger alloys, low friction coatings, and much stricter thermal and fuel control. They are engineered to survive long-term, not just to produce horsepower. Fact 5. Reliability today is mostly about maintenance and use case. A small engine that gets frequent oil changes, proper warm-ups, and correct fuel will last far longer than a big engine that is abused, short-tripped, or neglected. Reliability is a formula: oil quality, temperature, load, design, and driver behavior. Size is only one ingredient, and not even the most important one. So is there truth in the myth? Yes, but only in a very narrow way. A large engine making modest power, running low RPM with plenty of thermal capacity, can be extremely durable. But that's not because it is big. It's because it is understressed, well-cooled, and built simply. You can achieve the same reliability with a smaller engine if it's engineered with those same principles. Today's reality is simple. A bigger engine is not automatically better. A smaller engine is not automatically fragile. What matters is how hard the engine works, how well it controls heat, and how consistently the owner maintains it. That's the truth behind the myth.